Hiya, and today I really want to talk about something that I know so many of you are struggling with, and that is creating unique artwork and finding your own style. I've heard from a lot of you that whilst you love painting, you actually feel stuck quite a lot and not knowing where to start. Maybe you've been painting for months, maybe even longer, but there's still that little voice inside your head telling you that your work isn't quite there yet. Does that sound familiar? If so, stick around because hopefully this video is going to resonate with you. Now, let's be real, there are so many tutorials out there and YouTube videos that you can follow, right? And it's easy to get lost in just that sea of content. Now, these tutorials can be incredibly helpful, especially when you first start out, but they do teach you how to paint a specific subject in a specific style, often mimicking the artist that makes the tutorial. And there is value in that, learning the basics, picking up those new techniques, understanding maybe how the colors work. But here's where the problem lies with that. When you rely solely on copying these tutorials, you might end up with a beautiful collection of paintings, but they're all copies at the end of the day. And they might look great, but do they really reflect you and your unique vision as an artist? Now, I've seen this happen time and time again. People create these wonderful paintings from tutorials, but then when they try and branch out and create something original on their own, they're met with frustration, disappointment. The painting doesn't turn out how they want or how they imagined. And they're kind of left wondering, well, what went wrong? Which leads them straight back to tutorials again. Now, the truth is, most successful artists, the ones who truly stand out, are not following tutorials. They're creating their own ideas. They're developing a style that is unique to them. Tutorials can be great for learning, but they don't teach you the most important thing, and that is how to think like an artist, how to come up with your own ideas, how to translate your thoughts and emotions onto the canvas in a way that's authentic to you. So here is my challenge for you. If you are ready to move beyond just following along with tutorials, if you want to create stunning, unique pieces of artwork that you truly feel proud of, it is time to start thinking a little bit differently. You need to start focusing on developing your own ideas, your own style, and I've got something really exciting that is going to help you do just that. It is an online workshop designed to help you take that leap from being a follower to becoming an art innovator and creating your own unique artwork with confidence. Now, you can save your seat. Just join the free workshop. The link is in the description box. It will be just a private class, only showing to those that sign up. So if you're ready to take your art to the next level, let's do this together and help you make the work that truly reflects you as an artist. I'll pop that link in the description box. I'll also write a comment with the link in. Save your seat, and I'll see you in the live class.